in your hands demands precision in your actions. Companion's machine tool safety VR training transforms how your team approaches industrial equipment, turning critical safety protocols into muscle memory before they ever touch a real tool. Our immersive simulations place workers at grinding stations, drill presses, and welding sites where they'll master hazard identification without real-world risks. They'll learn to spot missing guards, faulty connections, and unsafe operating conditions while practicing proper inspection protocols. Experience hands-on training as your team applies specialized PPE, tests emergency stops, and responds to simulated equipment malfunctions, all in a consequence-free environment where mistakes become lessons, not injuries. Watch as your workers develop critical safety habits, securing loose clothing, maintaining proper distance from rotating parts, and executing gas cylinder safety checks with confidence and precision. Don't let your tools become threats. Partner with Companions today and sharpen your team's safety skills, because when machinery is involved, the margin for error isn't measured in inches, it's measured in fingers. Contact us now and cut accidents, not corners.